Usually when I can't find a door, I just make one.
Okay, master of all video games. Are you sure we can make our own door in this game?
Totally, you just gotta give it more juice, dude.
All right. Oh! Sweet, it worked!
Told ya.
Whoa! It's a skateboard rail slide bonus level! You gotta do it, Pizza Steve.
No! I mean, yeah, I really want to play, but you're killing it, Uncle G. You gotta keep going.
Okay, but if this wasn't a video game, it would be a death wish. I think we botched the landing. We gotta get out of this stupid level. Do you have any more good moves?
Sure I do. Haven't you ever heard of the, Pizza Steve 2000 move?
2,000? That sounds way too hard. You better do it, Pizza Steve.
No, man, it's easy, and, we can totally beat the whole game right now if you do it. All you gotta do is, slap all the buttons and move the joystick all over the place. It's pure win, dude.
Really? Okay, let's give it a whirl.
My nuts!
Awesome graphics! I thought you said that move would beat the game. Wait a minute. This is bad. This is really bad. We're in jail! We're the country music superstar! Flipping frog legs, we lost!
Huh? Where am I?
Ah!